Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to become an anonymous on Patreon. Now, if you want to become an anonymous on Patreon but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, to be anonymous on Patreon, you can take steps to protect your identity while still supporting the creators. Now, there are various ways of doing it. The first thing which you need to do is you just need to install the Patreon app on a device. And if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the Patreon app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of the Patreon app, where you'll see various options in the bottom taskbar as well as various options at the center of the screen and your profile icon at the very top right. Now, to become anonymous on Patreon, you can use a pseudonym. When signing up for Patreon, you can choose to use a nickname or a fake name instead of a real name, and this will help you to keep your identity private while supporting the creators. Or also, you may change the display name, so you may click on the option of your profile icon at the very top right and click on the option of settings, and under settings you will see the option of full public profile. So if you enable this option, your public profile allows you to include your name, photo, and the date you have joined the Patreons and any other social link which you have shared with it. So if you turn off this option, then you will be able to become anonymous on the Patreon app. So that's it. That's how you can become anonymous on the Patreon app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.